criticize by creating. It's a simple yet powerful quote that encourages us to take action and make a positive change in the world. But what does it really mean? Let's delve deeper and explore the philosophy behind this quote. We live in a world where it's easy to complain and point out what's wrong. We see it every day in the news, on social media, and even in our own personal lives. But what good does complaining really do? The quote, "criticize by creating," suggests that instead of just complaining, we should take the initiative to create a solution or an alternative. It encourages us to be proactive and use our talents and abilities to make positive changes in the world. When we create something, we put our own unique stamp on the world. It becomes a reflection of who we are and what we stand for. It's a way to communicate our criticisms in a more effective way, as it will be clear what we believe to be a better alternative. Creating also allows us to collaborate with others and build a community of like-minded individuals who are also working towards making a positive change. Together, we can accomplish much more than we ever could alone. So the next time you find yourself criticizing something, take a step back and ask yourself, what can I create to make this better? Remember, true change comes from taking action and creating something new. So criticize by creating.